Weather at WAIS Divide with Heidi Roop. We have a weather station we use to inform planes of the conditions at WAIS Divide. One way we give the weather is through the use of weather balloons. These weather balloons weigh an exact amount and are filled with an exact amount of helium, which allows us to do some math and figure out the height of the clouds, or, as we call it in the weather world, the ceiling. The exact amount of the helium in the balloon is measured when the balloon starts teetering on this valve, as you can see here. We then tie off the helium and make sure we don't lose a single drop. Here I go focusing to make sure that I don't let the balloon go, that it doesn't get carried away in the wind, and that it's tied off and can make the long journey so we can make accurate measurements so planes can land safely at WAIS Divide. Here I am happy with my balloon and getting ready to let it go. Mike is starting the watch, and soon I'll let it go. 3, 2, 1, blast off. And up goes the balloon into the sky. And here I am, Mike is timing, and I'm watching the balloon. I cannot take my eyes off the balloon. This is what a WAIS weather woman looks like, hard at work. So now we do some math. It took 2 minutes and 8 seconds for the balloon to disappear into the clouds. So we use our trusty chart that has the math already done for us, and we can figure out the height of the ceiling. By following the table across, we can see that the ceiling was 1,400 feet. Along with other information from our weather station, including temperature and wind speed, we can then make a complete report of the weather conditions at WAIS Divide. This is then sent to McMurdo via satellite phone and used for future flights to camp. So far this season we haven't had such horrible weather, just some blowing snow, but mostly clear skies and just some light clouds and lots of wind. But for the most part, you can see here, it's been quite beautiful. So I'd say, hip hip hooray for great weather.